Now, over the years, I've made lots of videos showing you all the awesome car camping gadgets that I've bought. But what I've never done is made a video of all the items that maybe weren't so good. Now, to be fair, there's only actually been 3 items that haven't worked particularly well for me. And the first one is one that you've seen quite a lot on car camps already. And that is my trusty electric lunchbox. So I have tried to use this item many times over the years, and if you've been around for a while, then you've no doubt seen all my attempts at using it. The potatoes aren't cooked, the cauliflower's not cooked, the carrot's not cooked, but the chicken is cooked. But what I've learnt is that, firstly, you can't cook in it, so you're not going to put raw stuff in this to cook it, that much we know. And that's because what a lot of people tell me is that it's designed more as a keep warm. But I have tried that on car camps and it still didn't work. And there is the definitive answer. After 25 minutes, it is positively lukewarm, if that. So one of the good things about these types of items is that they do fall into the low wattage category. Well, interestingly, it's actually using a lot less wattage than I thought it did. It's only taking 41 watts, and that base plate is very hot to touch. But the problem is it's designed to be used, well, as a lot of people tell me, it's designed to be used for like truckers. So they'll plug it in their front, drive for 10 hours, and when they get to where they're going to, then it's ready. But for a car camping, now I have tried that once on a car camp. I tried to put stuff in and go for a walk for a couple of hours, but the problem was that I think that was the time I tried to cook from raw. Let's see if this food is cooked. So it's taken 36% for 2 hours. Well, the verdict is it is definitely warmed through. It's not piping hot, and to be honest, I definitely wouldn't cook anything from raw in the car. Now, I totally get it could just be the fact that this style of cooking or heating through doesn't suit my style of car camping. And certainly quite a lot of people in comments have said that they have things like these and they do work well. But for me, after my last attempt at using it on a car camp, I have officially given up on this. And as far as I'm concerned, it is one of the worst car camping gadgets I've ever bought. Now, the next thing to show you is actually something I bought for my Zafira camper. It's something you never saw because it never ever worked. And it's basically spent the whole time in the garage in a box. And it's something that is supposed to give you more storage. And it's one of these. Basically, it's a roof storage net. Now, I have the same problem with this item and the combo, and if I put it up, I will show you why. Well, I'm thinking you might be able to see what the problem with this storage net is, and that is the simple fact that the net is going where my central blackout goes. So if I have the net up, well, I can't use my blackout, and that's quite an essential part of my setup. So because of that, this item will forever sit in a box in the garage. In fact, I might as well just give it away. If you want it, just say me please in the comments, and I know in a couple of weeks I'll draw a name and post it out, because I will literally never use this, and the only place it's going to go is the bin, really. It does work, it just doesn't work for me. So yeah, a little spur of the moment giveaway. And the last thing to show you comes under the Temu section. Now, I've bought quite a lot of stuff from Temu over the years, and to be fair, a lot of it I still use on car camps, and they do work well. But on my most recent order, I bought a gadget that, although it worked, it just didn't really do its job at all. And that item was this. Now, this is supposed to be a drinks warmer. So it's got a USB connection, you plug it in, you put your drink on top, and it will keep it warm. That's the theory. So the problem was, it wasn't getting hot enough to get past the ceramic. So you'd end up with a hot rim. Well, that sounds a bit wrong, but the drink itself wouldn't get warm at all. And that, surprisingly, is it. In all the years I've been car camping, I seem to have chosen all my car camping gadgets very well. But as with all things, these three are the worst things I've ever bought. So I hope you found this video useful, and until next time, take care.